Question 1. Drag drop refer to the exhibit. Drag and drop the networking parameters from the left onto the correct values on the right. Select and place. Correct answer is Question 2. What is the default behavior of a Layer 2 switch when a frame with an unknown destination MAC address is received? Correct answer is C. Explanation. If the destination MAC address is not in the CAM table unknown destination MAC address, the switch sends the frame out all other ports that are in the same VLAN as the received frame. This is called flooding. It does not flood the frame out the same port on which the frame was received. Question 3. Refer to the exhibit. A junior network administrator was given the task of configuring port security on switch A to allow only PC_A to access the switch network through port FA if any other device is detected. The port is to drop frames from this device. The administrator configured the interface and tested it with successful pings from PC_A to router A, and then observes the output from these two show commands. Which two of these changes are necessary for switch A to meet the requirements? Choose 2. Answer is BD. As we see in the output, the port security is in disabled state line 2 in the output. To enable port security feature, we must enable it on that interface first with the command. B is correct. Also from the output, we learn that the switch is allowing 2 devices to connect to its switch port security maximum 2, but the question requires allowing only PC_A to access the network, so we need to reduce the maximum number to 1. D is correct. Question 4. An engineer must configure a 30 subnet between 2 routes. Which usable IP address and subnet mask combination meets this criteria? Answer is D. Question 5. Which network allows devices to communicate without the need to access the internet? Answer is B. Question 6. Which feature can you use to monitor traffic on a switch by replicating it to another port or ports on the same switch? Answer is D. Switched port analyzer span is used to analyze network traffic passing through ports on a switch. Question 7. Refer to the exhibit. Which statement explains the configuration error message that is received? Answer is D. Question 8. What is the status of port channel if LACP is misconfigured? Answer is C. Question 9. What parameter can be different on ports within an ether channel? Answer is D. The parameter that can be different on ports within an Ether channel is duplex. Ether channel is a technology that combines multiple physical links into a single logical link. It provides increased bandwidth and redundancy. When configuring an Ether channel, all the ports within the channel must have the same configuration for parameters such as speed, trunk encapsulation, and DTP negotiation settings. However, the duplex setting can vary on different ports within the Ether channel. For example, if one port has a configured duplex of full and the other has a duplex of half, the Ether channel will still function, but the overall performance may be impacted due to the mismatched duplex settings. Question 10. What is standard industrialized protocol of Ether channel? Answer is A. The Industry Standard Link Aggregation Control Protocol LACP. Question 11. Which mode are in PAGP? Answer is A. B.